It's good to look at the past and take lessons, but to stay there is not wisdom. Many people, unfortunately, they always live in the past or future. It's good to look at the past and take lessons, and to look at the future to know where you should be going, the vision, but to stay there is not wisdom. One should stay where you are, meaning in the present, use those lessons and use that vision. It's like when you are in a car, there is a mirror which shows you what's back there. There is a mirror on top of you which shows the driver what's behind you. And there is a big screen in front of you. It's not a mirror, it's a big screen to show you that what's going to come. But keep continuously keeping your eyes focused there, fixed there, locked there, continuing, carrying on, just looking at that mirror which shows you what you passed actually will fail you in driving, and you will also have accident, and you will have many, many other things as well, because you are looking always, actually you are looking in that mirror. No, you just take a glance to see what's behind, okay, that's fine. But mainly you keep your vision, your eyes fixed on the main, to the screen actually there. And what you, on that basis you make decision, okay, there's a car coming nearby, there's a truck, I should slow down, I should move to the left, I should move to the right. So you are presently doing actions while sitting in the car, whilst benefiting from the back mirror, side mirror, and also benefiting from the screen which shows you your destination, where you should be going. And based upon that you are making movement, changing gears, thing, etc. That driver actually reaches successfully. Same applies to our lives as well. We are in our car. This is our car, meaning this body is our car. We are the driver. What is the driver? The driver is the spirit, the soul, the spirit. So yes, you should look at the past. That is good. It's a past mirror. Allah has given you this wisdom, this mind can go to the past. So reflect, take lesson, don't stay there. Oh yes, you did this, you went there with such people, they put you in trouble. You listen to this person, this put you in trouble. You listen to shaitan, you suffered this. Now I'm not going to be with those type of people. Now I'm not going to listen to those people.